my name is Dara, and welcome to my finance dashboard. So my finance dashboard was built for a couple of reasons. Generally, I want to have more production applications to be able to show recruiters. Also, I want to have a tool that I can use, not just have an app that will die on production, but have an app that I'm actually using. So I plan to use this, track my finances. So like the general flow of the app is on your overview. You see everything that's going on. You have current balance, income, expenses. Currently, I'm 13k in the red, based on what I've put in here. My total savings is 10k, and out of that, I spent 11k out of 130k limit for my budget, and such, right? So if you go to budgets, for instance, you add a new budget. Budget name is I don't know, it's only food I can think of. Perhaps furniture. Furniture budget, for furniture in my home. Let's say I have that 150k, pretty much. I can say the color tag. Let's say this purple. Start date is June 1, end date June 30th. Create project. Yep, project created successfully. Yeah, now we see this sort of like pie chart of the two budgets. This 150k, this 130k. So this is a little bit more, but the total limit is 280k. Of course, we only spent 11k out of it. Now to spend out of my furniture budget, I'll have to come here to my transactions, add a new transaction, buying chairs. Let's say 75k, although that's not realistic in Nigeria, but that's what we have. Baba Carpenter is the recipient of this money. The date is today. The budget is furniture budget, and I'm doing that. Created successfully. You see Baba Carpenter here. He has shot my 75k. So if I go back to my budget, sorry, 1 second, I have to refresh because my garbage time is not its time, but yeah, basically this is it. You have 75k spent, 75k free because it's 150k, 50% basically, and then pots. Pots is like your savings. Here I have savings for my car, 200k, but obviously not realistic in Nigeria, but here we are. I want to add more money. I'm adding 50k, and then I'm saying to boost my chances of not jumping bus. Jumping bus in Nigeria means entering public transport. I added 50k. Money added successfully. 60k now. It's 30% of my target. Now if I go back to my transactions, I will see that is registered right there. 50k for my carport from self, right? So that is cool right there. So that's how you register for budgets. You come here and register it by yourself. For pots, it can register automatically from here. Then on the overview page, we're able to see basically something of the overview, what has been spent, what has not been spent, my savings, top 5 transactions or latest transaction I just made, the dates and such, expenses, income, balance. You can see all of that. And then there's this bills section which I've not done, which is supposed to keep track of your monthly bills. So you have to register your bills like LinkedIn, like Netflix, like AWS. Then we can then inform you when that bill is due, maybe a week before, so that you can cancel, or 2 days before, so that you can cancel. So that's something to be done. Also looking to automate this transaction section such that it's able to plug into the mail and then get transaction data from the bank and such. I know it might not be useful for other people because they're kind of I understand the security issues there, but something I would like to use. I'd like to build it out and see where that takes me. Yeah, so I built this cool feature here as well. But yeah, this is what I've been able to build over the last few weeks. I hope that hopefully some people are able to try it. I don't know what the feedback would be. I'm sure there are a lot of things to improve on. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next one. Lord willing, there'll be a next one. Yeah, so sign out and good night.